أنا نفسي أصحى على المدرسة، ما أصحاش أروح أبيع خبز. أنا مش شاب يا الله، أنا طفل، نفسي أكون زي أطفال العالم.
Israeli occupation damaged everything in Gaza in this war, especially education sector. They destroyed and burned more than 500 schools and universities in all Gaza. During this war, schools and universities became shelters for displaced Palestinian families, and the Gazan students don't have places to study in. Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan created some schools to give the Gazan students their right in a free education. So, we are in dire need for your donations and effort to support the education sector in Gaza.